Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. And now, let's get started. To enable pop-ups on Google Chrome, the first step is to open the application. You can do this by searching for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then selecting Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look for the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, you will find a search bar at the top. Type the word POP into this search bar. This will help you quickly locate the relevant settings. After searching for POP, you should see an option for Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Within Site Settings, you will find an option specifically for pop-ups and redirects. Select this option. You will now see different choices for managing pop-ups and redirects. If the setting is currently configured to allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects, you will see that option highlighted. To enable pop-ups, ensure that the option which allows sites to use pop-ups and redirects is selected. If you prefer to block them, you can choose the alternative option. However, for the purpose of enabling them, make sure the first option is active. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.